So for today's video, we are going to talk about the Synthesia and DeepBrain. And in this topic, we are going to compare the two AI-based video creators. So first, in Synthesia, it excels, of course, at AI-generated, specifically in avatar videos. And the pros of it is it provides and produces high-quality avatars since Synthesia is more on avatar focuses, and some of the pros of it is it has intuitive interface and a good language support, while its cons is it only offers a limited customization. While in DeepBrain, it focuses on creating video presentations from scripts. So the pros of it is it has a fast processing as well as a AI voiceovers and presentation templates. While the cons, of course, since it is not focused on avatar customization, it has only a limited avatar customization. So in comparison, choose Synthesia for high quality avatars and choose DeepBrain for text-to-speech video creation. While in conclusion, for avatar-based videos, Synthesia is better, but for script-driven presentations, DeepBrain works well.